is a lifetime maintenance cost. Pero ngayon po, they are making it at yearly maintenance cost. So, ibig sabihin, if our platinum is 51,230, pag nag-renew po tayo, yun pa rin yung babayaran natin. Yun na rin yung babayaran natin. So, it's 990 plus the $100. So, it goes for all the packages. Yan po yung isang changes na in-implement nila. Website tools making software. Again, this is our product. Ito po yung, kumbaga, platform natin for making money on the internet. Okay? This is a website tools making software. Of course, you can buy from anybody who's selling website, diba? Sa market, you can pay for 5,000 up to 100,000. But definitely, it will not make you money. Okay? Kel, can you put your QB ID? Bakit XXX yan? Put your own QB ID. Emmeline, kindly put your name and your QB ID. Okay, log into QMyAds. Okay, this is one more upgrade that our QMyAds is going to be happening soon. Ito po ay future. We're good. Excuse me, Panindighay ko, sorry po. This is going to be the future, which means to say, ito po yung magiging itsura ng ating QMyAds coming very soon. Parang pelikula, coming very soon. Business, please log in with your QB ID. Hindi po, bawal po dito ang walang QB ID. Ibig sabihin po, hindi member. Okay. Can you see it, everyone? Can you see my screen? Ano po ang meron sa screen natin? Anong meron sa screen? Tignan ko kung sinong naka-notice. Okay, may McDo. Yes. Yes. May price po siya. Okay? So, kung mapapansin po natin, yun pong ating mga logo, may presyo na. O, di ba? Di ba sanay na tayo dyan? Okay. What is the reason? Para po naiintindihan natin kung ano yung mga changes. Okay? Dumadami po kasi ang advertiser natin. And they want a more responsive, anong tawag dito? They want a more responsive participation from us. Okay? Ibig sabihin po, nag-grow po ang ating negosyo. And soon, makikita po natin dyan pati mga local merchants na. Okay? So, ganyan po ang magiging itsura soon ng ating back office for QMyAds. So, actually, it's a lot easier. Mas madali siya, di ba? Yeah, analytical advertising. Now, ngayon, ganito po yan. Mamimili po tayo kung ano yung gusto nating i-click. Diba? Bahala kayo. Marami yan. Kumbaga, maraming ads yung lalabas doon sa back office ninyo. And then, kahala po kayo kung anong gusto nyong i-click dyan. Okay? Alam naman po natin kung ano yung mga paraan with the pay-to-click business. So, basically, we are clicking their advertisement, watching whatever it is that they're showing, and we are getting paid for that. Burger King daw lahat. Siyempre, depende. Iba-iba naman yan. Okay. So, next. Ngayon, ganito po yan. Ito ngayon ang magiging senaryo para po maintindihan natin kung papaano po kumikita ang company. Because there are a lot of questions before. Tinatanong kung bakit daw, Kung bakit daw po or kung papaano daw po kumikita si Qbull. Okay? So, with this, ito po pinapakita lang po sa inyo ng kumpanya how are they earning from the clicks that we are making from our advertisers. Maliwanag po ba? Kaya dito po pinapakita na. So, kung assisted silver ka, okay, diba, 30% of your click goes to your affiliate wallet. And yung 70% naman ay napupunta po sa company wallet. Okay? Nakuha natin, guys? Please pay attention to me. Makinig po kasi para maituro nyo rin po sa mga tao nyo. Meaning to say, kung ikaw ay assisted silver, kada click mo, 30% nun ay napupunta sa iyong wallet at 70% naman nun ay napupunta sa company wallet. Okay? So, kung dumating ngayon si task mo, you have Monday to Saturday to complete yung $8 mo. Okay? I-click mo kung ano man dyan yung gusto mong i-click. Basta ma-reach mo si $8. Okay? Maliwanag po ba? Kung ikaw ay silver member, 40% ng cost per click ay mapupunta sa wallet mo at 60% naman ang napupunta sa company wallet. Task day natin is Monday to Saturday. Please pay close attention to this. Hindi na po siya 1 month ha. Diba, nung before natin, it's 1 month. Kaya iba nakakalimutan yung task. Ngayon po, Monday to Saturday yan. Okay? $20 per week times 52 weeks kung ikaw ay silver. Now, kung ikaw ay gold, 50% nung cost per click mo mapupunta sa iyong wallet at 50% naman ay mapupunta sa company wallet. Task day is Monday to Saturday, $45 per week. Ganun pa rin po, 52 weeks pa rin siya. Kawawa ba si mouse button? Okay, platinum. 70% of your click papasok sa affiliate wallet mo and 30% ay mapupunta sa company wallet. So, as you can see, kung ikaw ay platinum member, mas malaki yung pumapasok sa wallet mo kesa sa wallet ng company. Okay? Monday to Saturday din and 100 a week times 52 weeks. Maliwanag po ba? Yan po ang setup natin. Approximately siguro by the 25th or end of the month, magbabagong anyo po. Okay? Magbabagong anyo ang back office ng QMyAds. Yaan na po yung lalabas. Okay? Bakit GMX Rider? Brown out ba ng isang buong linggo? Diba? Hindi tayo pwedeng magbigay ng mga ganyang, anong tawag mo dito, razon. Kasi Monday to Saturday naman eh. Ikaw talaga, oo. Mga questions mo ha? Paluin kita. Okay. So, ibig sabihin po, you have the whole week to do the task na ma-reach mo siya ng 100. So, I am always saying, siguro madagdagan po yung oras natin. Baka dating 30 minutes natin, abutin ng 1 hour or 1.5 hour. Depende po yan doon sa, of course, bilis ng internet natin at saka depende din po yan doon sa, anong tawag dito? Kung gusto mo ba siyang tapusin or hindi. So, it's all up to us. Basta for the whole week, we have the whole week to do our task. Okay, now, bakit nako, Michelle? Ito po tandaan natin. Kasi po before, di ba, you were questioning saan ang gagaling ang, tawag dito, saan ang gagaling or meron ba talaga, di ba, na kumbaga kinikita ang kumpanya with the advertising or the advertisement. Ito po yun. QB4354843, hanggang ngayon wala ka pa ring name. Kanina pa sila nagko-call ng attention. Please put the name for those who don't have their names yet with their QB ID. Oo, magharap kayo ng clickers. So, dito po makikita nyo po talaga na ang QBIL po ay talagang work from home program. Hindi po ito investment company, no? Hindi po ito investment company. Ito po ay totoong trabaho and at the same time, totoo pong pagkakakitaan po natin. So, I was saying, I was telling the other members, no, dito makikita mo talaga na the business, this is the real business format. Okay, this is a real business format and you can be assured na yung income mo or yung pinasukan mong negosyo, 'di ba? Kasi for some people, I know parang magiging ano sila na hahaba yung oras nila. Guys, kahit paabutin ka ng 1 oras o 2 oras, sa kikitain mong $100, hindi na siguro masama. Because for some people, $100 is already their 1 week work of income. 'Di ba? Ibig sabihin, isang linggo nilang pinagtatrabahuan 'yon. 'Di ba? Sexy clickers daw. Reynaldo, you do not have an ID number. Please follow our instruction. Hindi ka sexy, Kel. Macho ka. Okay, next. Punta tayo sa susunod. Okay. Residual passive income. So, bukod po doon sa income po natin sa ating work from home, okay, mayroon po tayong residual passive income, which means to say, walang maintenance, okay, walang auto ship, 'di ba? But we will be earning. Ibig sabihin, kung tayo po ay nagre-refer, 'di ba, ng mga tao dito sa negosyo na to, mayroon po tayong extra income kada buwan. Okay? So, iyan po yung ating first up to 7th level, okay, na income. And hindi ko lang sure, no, kung it will be implemented. Pero I heard kasi before that the uni-level income will be given on a weekly basis. I'm just not so sure about it, but at the moment, ito po ay binibigay every month, no? Every month po ito ibinibigay sa mga members. Oo nga, hindi na nga ito sideline, main income na nga ito, 'di ba? So we have to really treat this as a real business. Negosyo po talaga ito, hindi po ito, I mean, $100 a week, hindi naman po siguro, hindi mo pwedeng baliwalain, 'di ba? Hindi ka na makikita ng ganyan kahit na magtumbling-tumbling ka. Okay, affiliate marketing program. Ito na po, para po doon sa mga magre-refer. Yung diniscuss ko po kanina, for those people na ayaw mag-refer, gusto lang gumawa ng work from home, yun na po yung ating program. No? So, you can just buy a package and then work on your work from home and withdraw your income every month. Okay? So, let's go to the affiliate program para naman po doon sa mga masisipag makipag-chika-chika. Wow, ang daming tao. Sandali lang, segue lang ako. Natutuwa lang ako kasi ang daming tao sa room, 81. 100 lang ang capacity ng room ko. Malapit nang mapuno. Pero ang dami pa rin, sorry guys but I have to call the attention. Ang dami pa rin hindi naka-uniform, hindi sumusunod sa aking instruction. QB09-73814, QB1638-364, QB4008-941. Para ako nasa Shumart, QB43354843, QB408634, QB273680. Please log in with your name and QB ID, guys. Napakadali pong instruction ko, please. Okay. Hindi, Philippine plug eh. Okay, now direct referral. Same pa din po. Same pa din po. You can sponsor any number of affiliates directly and they will be placed under your width. Wala pong nagbago sa ating affiliate marketing, which is still 20% noon pong ating PV. I don't think so. Most of the people inside are Filipinos. Wala ko nakikitang foreigner. Okay, next. Nosebleed. Leverage matching bonus is still the same. Minimum of 100 PV, okay, is $20. Okay, pareho pa din po yan. Similar. Leverage silver is 500, gold is 600, and platinum is 800. Okay, pareho pa rin po. So, carry over po tayo sa strong. That's one good thing. Now, ambassador incentives. Ito na. Taga Mexico, Pampanga. Pareho pa din. Ambassador incentive. You sponsor 10 direct referrals. Either ikaw din. Of course, Mitch, we still have the ambassador. Hindi naman po nawala yan. Guys, baka makalimutan. Ang tinanggal ng company is the, Joel, you're late. Ang tinanggal lang po ng company is the affix. Why? Tradicts yun pong rules sa USA. Okay. Most of the changes that's being done with QB right now is to be compliant with the international regulations. Yun po ang medyo intindihin po natin. Kasi pumapasok po tayo sa negosyo na nag-expand po tayo international, and we have, since tayo po, hindi tayo katulad ng ibang kumpanya na walang opisina, no? Meron po talaga tayong office. We have to comply with the rules and regulations of other countries. So, pag sinabi po nila na bawal to, bawal yan, of course, naapektuhan po yung ating negosyo. Pero na-expand naman po yung ating business because of our compliance. Okay? So, yung affix tinanggal po siya because of compliance issue. Kaya po wala na siya sa ating program. Same thing with the Magic Wealth formula before. They remove it because of compliance issue as well. Okay? So, dun lang po makikita nyo that Qubule is serious and it's protecting the company and the members. Kasi kung pababayaan lang po nila yon at magiging cause, no? Magiging cause ng, anong tawag dito? Rift later on, ng problema, might as well, ngayon pa lang po. Kumbaga, masaktan na yung masaktan, but it will make the business for the long haul. Okay? Actually, swerte nga po nung mga may affix. Swerte nung mga may affix. Kasi po, yung affix po nila, tuloy-tuloy po yun hanggang sa matapos yung 52 weeks nila. Sayang nga eh. Wala, di ba? Wala namang nakakalam eh. Kumbaga natatanggalin pala. But, you know, like even me, I was really hoping na makapag-affix. Sana, no? We were targeting to get our affix this month of August. Kaya lang hindi inabot. Okay? Okay, thank you, Sir Albert. Magkiklik pa rin sila, Kel, kasi yung affix is there to stay. For those already have affix account in their back office, tuloy-tuloy po yun hanggang sa matapos nila yung kanilang 52 weeks. Okay? So, as for the ambassador, 12 months mayroon po tayong share. Doon po paghahatian ng lahat ng mga qualified ambassadors every month for the next 12 months. Okay, maliwanag po yan. Next. Okay, ito po. This is one of the changes that's happening with the company. This only affects those that are doing the referral. Hindi po apektado dito yung work from home natin, ha? Yung work from home po natin as is po siya. Now, doon po sa ating referral naman, to withdraw your referral bonus, you need to sponsor at least one new affiliate from 15th day of the previous month to 14th day of the withdrawal month. Okay? So, ito daw po yung explanation niyan. Let's say you want to withdraw your referral bonus on September 15. Okay? You need to sponsor one new affiliate. Isa lang po, irregardless, kay silver lang yan. You need to sponsor one new affiliate from August 15 to September 14 for you to qualify to withdraw your referral bonus on September 15. Okay? Maliwanag po ba? You need to have at least one. So, hindi siya mawawala. Nandun lang siya. But if you want to withdraw, or, syempre, alam naman natin kung ano yung isa pang way, no? To get our income from the referral wallet. So, basta't nandun lang po siya. Hindi po siya mawawala doon. But you have to have at least one referral. For referral, the work from home bonus, you can withdraw it every month. Walang pong pinag-uusapan doon. Assisted silver, yes, it doesn't matter kahit ano, basta mayroong referral. Okay? Maliwanag po ba? Next. Kung wala kang referral April, andun lang siya. Kumbaga, it's just in your wallet. Oo, may solution dyan. Sorry, natawa tuloy ako. May solution dyan. Pero, basta nandun lang siya. Oo. Pwede siya ma-bypass. Oo. Alam tayo mga Pinoy, magagaling tayo sa ganyan. 'Di ba? Okay, next. Transfer, correct. How to get your income? Ito po. We can get it through our ATM card or all income will divide into, of course, yung 70% withdrawal wallet and the 30% goes to our bidding wallet. Okay. Ngayon, ito po guys. The company is advising each and every one of us to open our East-West account. Why? Kasi po, actually, it's easy for them to transfer our income. No? Pag East-West, kasi nga po East-West ang account ng company. Okay? So, they're having a hard time transacting with other banks. Kasi po sobrang, ang tawag dito, tedious at saka may mga charges na hinihingi sa kanila. So, as much as possible, company is requiring everybody to open card. Jerry Ignacio, yung sinasabi nyo kasing shopping wallet before, it's bidding. Ako noon ko pa sinasabi yan. Ever since that I'm doing the webinar and even in my video, it's a bidding wallet. No? It's kasi ganito yan eh. Before kasi, doon pala sa kanila, ang tawag nila doon, shopping. Sabi namin, pag sinabi nyo kasing shopping, shopping yan. Eh yung palang ibig nilang sabihin, bidding. Pero yun sa kanila, yung term na countries, when you say shopping, literally, it means shopping. Okay? So, i-transfer ko pa ba account ko? Ma'am Linda, if you can open, okay, for those who are abroad, let's all open our East West Bank account. Okay, next. Para hindi tayo magkaroon ng confusion. Why not? Yes, East-West nga. Yan na nga yung sinasabi nila kasi nga Visa, ano siya, 'di ba? I mean, siya yung ginagamit ng company para maging, para pagpadalahan ng ating mga income. Gosh, hanggang ngayon, meron pa ding walang pangalan sa QBID. Yeah, eventually, Marlene, but for the moment, it's really going to be forbidding. As a matter of fact, during our meeting, diniscuss na nila that sabihin, it will really take effect already. So, at least one thing we can see with the Qbule, talaga they're doing everything, no? Para maibigay na sa member kumbaga kung ano yung mga inaantay pa natin. Okay, Ray, dapat nilagay mo yung QBID mo sa pangalan mo just like everybody else. Okay, next. Ay, asan na ba ako? Yun. Okay. So, wait lang Withdrawal will open. Withdrawal date. You can withdraw work from home wallet and referral wallet every 15th day of the month from 12 midnight to 11:59 midnight USA time. Okay. Bakit naghihigpit ang company? Bakit naghihigpit ang company? Okay? Because they want everything to be in order. Okay. Bakit nila ginawang isang beses ang withdrawal? Okay? To consolidate everything. Kasi merong, alam mo yun, iba-iba yung dates ng mga withdrawal na ginagawa ng tao. Okay? So, ang ginawa nila, consolidated. We will open the withdrawal on this date, 15th of the month. Every 15th of the month, it will be open. Ito yung withdrawal to bank. Okay? And then, ang pasok po niyan sa bank account natin is first day of the following month. Okay? Maliwanag po ba? 15th of the month. So, lahat po ng magwi-withdraw, pakipasa nyo po sa lahat ng downlines ninyo. Make sure na validated na po yung inyong profile, verified na po siya, and on the 15th of the month, okay, ay mag-withdraw na po tayo. Kung may withdrawin, mag-withdraw na po tayo. Okay? So, hindi po sinasabi ng company na hindi tayo pwedeng mag-withdraw. Ang sinasabi lang po nila, let's put an order. Ay, thank you, Bong. Thank you. Let's put an order para naman po, di ba, organisado. No, I said, Joel, please listen. 15th of the month, from 12 midnight to 11:59 midnight USA time. Okay? So, yan po yung ating schedule of making the withdrawal. Yan. Hindi, sabi mo kasi before 15. Kaya sabi ko, kailangan 15. Okay? So, yan po, no? Anong time sa atin yan? O nga, no? 12 midnight to 11:15 midnight. Sige nga ha, tatanungin ko nga sa kanila withdrawal to bank. So, ipunin lahat and then make a withdrawal. Sir Elmer, hindi po. It has to be on the 15th. Yun po yung time na ma-request. Sabi ni Sheila, advance tayo ng 12 hours. Okay. So, updates. Bago natin open ang floor for the question and answer. Wait lang ha. King Cody ko. Hopefully, Q bids, no, yung ating bidding site, hopefully it opens on the 30th of August. By ano? By month end or first week of September. Okay. So, ano pa ba yung updates na binigay sa amin? Okay, question muna. Baka biglang pumasok sa akin yung mga iniisip ko kanina. Okay, question ni Jerry, higher the... No, it's not the highest bidder, Jerry. Hindi ganun yung pag sinabi mong bidding. Pag bidding kasi, merong set price yan, no? Merong set price yan sa, anong tawag dito? Merong set price yan, yung item. For example, yung iPad. Sinet nila, kasi normally 10% to 20% lang of the actual cost ang bidding amount na ilalagay nila. Ngayon, kung sino yung makahit nung amount na yon, okay, at that time, sa kanya yung price. No? Sa kanya mapupunta yung price. So, hindi yan pataasan ng bidding. Yeah, just like penny auction. So, kung sino man yung may experience dyan, parang ganun siya. Hermie, hopefully, company will be coming up with that very soon. Hindi siya guess the correct price. Basta magbibid ka lang. Anyway, matututunan natin yan. Pare-pareho tayo. Siyempre, magbibid ka lang pag naka-online ka. O yun, parang piso bid daw dati. O, nasa yung may mga experience sa bidding. Oo, Aninong Bakal. Okay, uulitin ko po ha. Ang ating 30% is a safety net of the company. Kung tayo po ay naghahanap ng company na walang safety net, asahan nyo po yan, yung company na yon baka 6 na buwan lang, sarado na. Lahat po ng company may safety net. At yung 30% po na yan ay safety net ng company. Kaya po, bidding po ang programa para sa 30%. Expected date ng new task, most probably baka 3rd week or last week of month ng August. Ako, alam niyo sa totoo lang, ang una kong hinahanap sa company, safety net. Hindi ako nagtatanong, I'm not looking at how much money I can get from it, but I'm looking at how they will survive the business. Anong day makredit ang work from home incentive if Monday to Friday na ang task? Hermie, it's not Monday to Friday. Ibig sabihin lang, you can do the task within that period, Monday to Friday. Okay? At pag na-reach mo na yung 100, for example, platinum ka, na-reach mo na yung $100, di ba? So, magka-count na yung 30 days nun. Hindi na siya 10 to 30 minutes once a week. Depende na sa'yo yun, JMX, kung uupuan mo ba siya ng isang upuan lang eh. Guys, pareho lang naman kasi siya eh. Ang nag-iba lang ngayon, may kiniklik ka na. So, magtatagal ka siguro ng ng konti doon sa dating oras na ginagawa mo. Yes, August 15, Char. It will start this August 15. Bale, marami ng task. O, marami kang ikiklik. Para, kumbaga, basta kailangan ma-reach mo yung $100 mo within that week. Pwede mong gawin yan ng isang upuan lang or pwede mong hati-hatiin ng araw. Yes, again, everybody, on August 15th, open ang withdrawal request button. I think change na siya. Okay. Ito guys ha, question ni Jonas. Every Thursday or change na siya. Ganito yan. Makinig po kayo. For those of us na existing na, siguro po palagay ko sabay-sabay yan para sa atin. Pero dun po sa mga bagong papasok pa lang, pag once na na-activate nyo po siya, ando doon na kaagad yung task. Hindi na po tayo mag-iintay pa ng Thursday. Yes, Rodrigo. Wala, nako, i-print screen nyo na yung 0 plus 0 na yan. Mamimiss nyo yan. Sir Rovic, I'm not sure, no? Kasi, buo naman yung ipinapadala sa atin eh. So, I think hindi. Tayo pa rin talaga ang Pero ganito ha, ito narinig ko lang. Hindi naman ako sure kasi pinag-uusapan pa namin to. Sa US kasi, they will start implementing the SSN number, which is the equivalent of TIN po natin dito. So, I'm not sure kung magiging applicable po siya dito sa atin sa Philippines, pero sa ibang bansa, mukhang magre-require na sila ng SSN or the equivalent to TIN. First of the month, Aloy. 15th ang withdrawal, first ang credit. Okay, pag hindi ka nakapag-withdraw ng 15th, intayin mo lang uli yung panibagong 15. So, ibig sabihin, madadagdagan lang yung wallet mo. Hindi siya mawawala. Okay, eto magandang question ni... Sino ba nagtanong? Wait lang ha. Yun daw bang... Guys, wait ha. Wag muna kayo mag-type. Basahin ko lang yung... ni James. Yung minimum po ba ng withdrawal ng referral pa din? Yeah, I think... Pero ito yan. We have been appealing to the company na mababa yung ating transfer. Yung sa transfer, no? Yung sa transfer, inire-request talaga namin na ibaba nila to at least 100, no? So, mukhang mapapagbigyan naman. So, antay-antay lang po tayo. Yes. Thank you, Rodrigo. Yung tatlo na 8, di ko din makita. Vilma, pag wala na yung tatlong 8 mo, ibig sabihin nasa work from home wallet na yan. Oo, pwede. Hindi pa naman hinihingi, Aninong Bakal. Huwag niyo munang ilagay. Mitch, I don't think they would go lower with that. Might be the most that they would is 100. Yeah. Oo, James. Kailangan yon. Required na nila yon for the withdrawal. I mean, kung magwi-withdraw ka. Vilma, kasi po pag nawala na po sa my account, nandun na po sa work from home wallet yan. Reference, please discuss. Ano yung reference? Yeah, the only way to get more is to upgrade. Tama ka, JMX. Reference. Aninong Bakal, what reference are you asking? Wala, mawawala na nga yun. Ito pa. Okay. Buti, nabasa ko yung email. Ito pa, isa pang update na kailangan natin malaman. Yung sa, yung sa, what you call this? Sa email. I'm referring to the email. Lalo na doon sa marami pong mga accounts. Nire-require na po na ang advertisers ang 1 email per account. So, I think the company is going to give us soon an announcement regarding this that we have to change. Bibigyan po tayo ng window para mapalitan po yung ating mga email address. So, kailangan po isang email address per account. Bongs Cubule. Bongs sa Cubule. Wala namang, meron bang gumamit ng dummy email sa kanilang, sa kanilang Cubule account? Wala naman po. Junix, because you have to fill up your reference link. Pumunta ka po doon sa ating group page, andun po yung instruction. one bank per account. Hindi. I'm referring to email, guys. I'm referring to email. If you have multiple accounts, hindi pwede, ganito. Teka muna, sandali lang guys, huwag kayong ma-confuse. Pakinggan nyo muna ako pang bagay, no? Yung reference doon po sa QMyAds, pwede po kayong maglagay doon ng dummy information para lang siya mag-go through, okay? Ang sinasabi ko po na kailangang palitan kung kayo ay naka-multiple accounts, ay iyon pong mga email address ninyo, okay? Only use Yahoo or Gmail. I-require na po kasi ng advertisers yan. Hindi na po pwede yung tatlong account, isang email address. Okay? Bongcubule, yung sa reference link, pwede yung dummy to complete the task. Pwede po yon. Ang sinasabi ko naman po, doon sa talagang mga account natin, kailangan po totoong email address ang ipapalit natin. Kasi hindi po kayo makaka-access sa account ninyo pag dummy ang inilagay ninyo. Okay? Naintindihan po ba natin yan? Naku, huwag kayong magsasabi later on na dummy ang nilagay ninyo. Tapos hindi nyo ma-access kasi walang security pin na tinabato ko sa inyo. Kaya paulit-ulit kong sinasabi po. Okay? Papalitan natin for those who have multiple accounts. Papalitan po natin yung ating email address. Tanggapin ng advertisers yung tatlong account, isang email address. Okay? So, we have to change. Okay? We have to change the email address of our other accounts. Maliwanag po ba? Sa totoong account po natin. You have to change that. Tapos naman na siya, Kath. Actually, nasa Q&A na tayo. Oo, yes. Direct referral siya, James. Yung may mga affix? What do you mean? Guys, remember, hindi po affected ang work from home wallet, ha? Ang work from home wallet, pwede nyong withdrawin. Ang pinag-uusapan po natin dito ay sa referral wallet. Kaya yung mga naka-multiple accounts, umpisahan nyo na po, mag-create na kayo ng mga email address na iba-iba para ma-change po. Okay. Meron pa po kayong question? So, expect the company to come up with the official announcement in the next few days regarding this. Dali, nag-scroll, hindi ko mabasa yung mga tanong. Wait lang. Multiple affiliate, pwede ba? Oo, yung depository, pwede. Ang pinag-uusapan po, kung hindi ko po sinabi, wala pong kaso, no? Ang minimension ko po dito na affected is yung email natin. We have to change. Danny Boy. Oo, tama. Bawat account, iba-iba email address. Correct. Si Lulu, yes, same pa din. Same pa din, Lulu. 4,700 yung LTMC. Yung naka-affix ba, considered as one account lang? Oo, main account yon, Jim. It's main account. Pagka naka-affix ka, ibig sabihin isa lang yon kasi naka-affix ka dun sa main account mo. PowerPoint, okay. Yung mga magre-request ng bagong PowerPoint, paki-PM po ako sa Facebook. Big time, bakit wala kang QBID? Hala, papaluin kita. Hindi ngayong Monday na to, iyan. Most probably by the third week or fourth week of this month. Kasi inaayos pa nila yan. Oo naman, aninong bakal? Email nga lang ang papalitan pagka naka-multiple accounts. Yes, Danmer. Kailangan tignan mo lahat nung nasa loob. May mga QB ID sila. Ikaw wala kang QB. Ma'am, right yung minimum transfer po. James, pareho tayo. Inaabangan ko din yan. Nakapila na sa kanila yan. Correct. Tama ka, Tax. Maureen, wag mo nang alamin yung affix. Kasi wala na. Hindi ka umabot, sorry. Kaloka. Okay. So, ito nga guys yung sinasabi ko. Sa company, of course, there will always be changes, 'di ba? Kasi as you grow, nakikita mo yung mga hindi maganda na nangyari, 'di ba? Oh, ito pa pala, bago ko makalimutan, dadaanan ko na rin ito. Pakinggan niyo po ito ha. Pakinggan niyo po, please lang, pay attention. Okay? I'm going to discuss in little yung pong issue sa India para po alam naman ng lahat. Okay? So yung issue po natin sa India, please be informed na yung pong Qubule India is also franchised dati. No? It was operated by a master franchise. Okay? Yung pong case sa India is actually a nightmare for the company dahil napakarami pong problema na nangyari or a lot of things has gone wrong. Okay? Yung pong funds na nag-circulate doon. Yung alam niyo yung wallet na merong nadidistribute pero actually wala namang pumasok sa kumpanya. And before pala, allowed po sa kanila yung 100% wallet transfer. Kaya nga 'di ba ngayon ginawa yan dito sa atin sa Philippines, ginawa ng 60-40. Dati pala 100% yan. They allowed that. Pero yun ang naging effect nun, no? Sa kanila. Lumaki ang member base nila. Nagtataka ang kumpanya bakit nag-blow up ang number of affiliates pero wala namang perang pumasok. Plus, yung government po nila doon sa India being, alam nyo na, no? I'm not going to say the word. So, plus the fact that it is hard to bring remittance funds, no? From the company papunta sa bansa nila. So, Qubule acknowledged the failure in India and they learned from their mistakes. That's why, right now, nag-i-streamline po sila. Okay? So, I'm telling this para po naiintindihan natin. Okay? Naiintindihan po natin kung, because we might be, we've been reading a lot about kung ano-anong mga sinasabi. Pero ako kasi po, it's always been my tendency to always look at both sides, no? Hindi ako mag-judge or magre-react hanggat hindi ko po naririnig or alam. Okay? Alicia, wala pa ako nakitang residual income na pumasok sa account ko. May 1 month akong nakapag-recruit. Ma'am, normally papasok po yan the following. Most probably kaya hindi pa siya pumasok kasi 'di ba nagkaroon tayo ng this past few weeks yung transition. Another thing, company has bought a bigger server. So, nagta-transfer po sila ng data. Kaya po nagkaroon ng mga delays. No? Nagkaroon, di ba, may mga accounts na hindi nagre-reflect. Especially, ang affected niyan yung mga bagong entries. Yung mga luma, hindi eh. So, because of the migration to the new server, medyo affected po. Pero ngayon po, nako-correct na nila yung mga accounts. No? They were able to do that. So, we're upgrading to new server and, of course, updating the system. Para nga po dito sa mga changes na i-implement nila. So, company has, asked, anong tawag mo doon? Pasensya from us, the affiliates. Kaya, yun po yung nila sa amin. Ipinaalam po nila sa amin. Ano ang importance ng office ng Q-Viral Medias? Remember, James, advertising po tayo. Napaka-importante po niyan because yung Q-Viral Medias actually will be the one responsible for getting the local advertisers. As a matter of fact, magkakaroon po tayo ng additional earnings from that. No? Coming soon po yan na when we brought in advertisers to Qubule, may income po tayo. Oo nga, akala kasi nung iba, napakasimple lang, 'di ba? try to migrate a number of database and update kumbaga yung system medyo ano po talaga. Yes, Jerry. Acknowledge naman nila yon kasi nga nagkaroon sila ng updating ng server. Okay, any more questions? Wala na po. L Garcia 025, wala kang QB ID. Vilma, yung question mo kasi can be answered later kasi hindi siya po related dito dahil yung question mo po, you can find that in your work from home wallet. Doon po siya magre-reflect. Okay. Ito yung question ni Kurt. Ano daw yung MIDS? Okay, yung MIDS is another company wherein yung master franchise po ng India is migrating their database. Okay? So, kinuha po nila yung database nila sa Qubule and they are migrating it to MIDS. So, wala pong kinalaman si Qubule doon. So, mali po yung information. Kung ano man yung information na sinicirculate nila, wala pong kinalaman si Qubule doon. Marami. Basta makabuo ka ng $100 na i-click, aninong bakal. Sis, hanggang 3 heads under one name pa rin. You can have multiple accounts, Mitch, basta iba-ibang email address. I don't know. With regards to that, Bongsa Qubule, hindi naman tayo affected kasi 'di ba in-adjust naman nila, wala pong nawawala sa atin. With regards to our weeks, 52 weeks pa rin po tayo. As much as possible, they want East-West Bank kasi it's faster for them. Zalson, on the 15th of the month, the withdrawal button will be open. So, lahat po tayo na gustong mag-withdraw, please raise your withdrawal by the 15th of this month. Minimum of 250. Oo, may paraan naman lagi, 'di ba, Stephen? Ngayong 15th, August 15, mag-effect na 'yan. Kung may bangko sila sa ibang bansa, pwede. Oh, I'm serious. Yung withdrawal and then yung credit is 1 every first of the month. I don't know yet, El Garcia, kasi nga as I've mentioned, kasi set up lang po ng Q-Viral Medias natin. Hindi pa po yan nag-uumpisa, nakaset up na po siya, may mga empleyado na po siya and everything. So mag-i-start na po siya for the local advertisers. Yes, required po tayo mag-open ng as much as possible. They are requiring kasi it's easier talaga for the company. Oo nga, Marlene totoo. Pero, I mean, for those of you na alam nyo namang may mga downlines kayo na hindi laging nag-go online, get in touch with them para ma-inform sila that they can make a withdrawal request on the 15th. Beng Vong Viamien, you don't have a QB ID. And in Cambodia, actually, the problem is within. Same thing as in India. Your problem in Cambodia is within the local government and the banking. Here in Philippines, you don't have any problem with the banking system. That's why, as you can see, it's running smoothly. So, company has done everything to comply there in your country. And I don't know what is the At the moment, what is the relationship or what is the procedure? Oo, kung merong East-West in Palawan, you can open. Vilma, that one, I am not sure yet if Hong Kong is already open. Kasi we cannot register, di ba? BDO. For those who are abroad, I think, yeah. Oo, pwede. Okay, so no more questions. Oo nga, overtime na. Okay lang yung existing. Okay nga yun eh. No, no, no. If you're an existing trust holder, yun yung i-upload mo dun sa bank information mo. May part 2. Sir Aloy, Alexa, salamat. Angelo, Aninong Bakal, April, magkasunod pa kayo Ma'am Feli Billones, thank you so much. Bong Sakubule, Danny Boy March, thank you. Sir Dred, you're late, thank you so much. Edward, thank you. Elizabeth. Ma'am Elsie, salamat po. Engzen, thank you. Heng Bong Vimin, I'll give you the email later. Henry, thank you. Sir Hermie, thank you. Ma'am Alicia, thank you so much. James Bryan, Jerry Ignacio, Jets, thank you for attending. Jetro, Jetro, di ba ikaw yung sa Singapore? Joanne, thank you from Japan. JMX, Joel from Malaysia. Joel, PM kita ha. Joe Pitts, thank you. Jonas, Jonathan, Joe Valerio, KitKat. Christian, Kriska from Taiwan. Thanks for attending. Kurt, L. Garcia, Ma'am Lilia from US. Kurt, Lilia Rosil. Sino pa? Dami nyo ngayon, ha? Ma'am Linda from Italy, thanks for attending. Lulu, Moneymaker, Marlene, Mary Res, Maureen. Mike, thank you for assisting me tonight. Mitch Cubule, Myrna, Nell, Ninya Legacion, Noel, Nolly, Princess, another from South Korea. You don't have a name. One from Japan, Remy Rigio. Yan, di kayo sumusunod kasi kaya di ko kayo ma-acknowledge. Rich, thank you for attending. Rizel from Italy, thank you. Roma Bernaga, Rose, Sandy, Stephen Binayog from Calamba. Susan from Iloilo. Alam ko mga lugar nyo Sir Val, thank you from Cavite. Vilma Ross from Hong Kong. And yun lang. Thank you sa lahat po nang nag-attend. Have a great weekend. See you all! Ay, Mike! Ikaw pala yan. Hindi ka kasi nag-login Sorry. Good night sa'yo.